How to lock or unlock your Bank of America debit card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can lock or unlock your Bank of America debit card. So before we begin with that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So if you want to do that, this is what Bank of America's got to say. So this is the official website and this is the official instruction by Bank of America themselves. So there are two ways you can do that. So to lock or unlock your card, you can use your mobile app or your online banking. So if you're using the mobile app here, it says that you'll need to log into your app, then tap on menu, then select manage debit card or credit card. And if your debit card is showing, tap change on the top right corner of the screen to select your credit card, or do the same if your credit card is showing to change it into debit card. Then there you'll find lock or unlock button right below the credit card or debit card. Then simply tap on lock or unlock according to your need. Then you'll receive the confirmation. Confirm it and you're good to go. So that's how you do it from the mobile app. For your online banking, you'll need to log in into your online banking, hover to your profile and settings that should be on the top right corner. Then there you'll find a pop-up which says manage credit card or manage card settings. Now tap on lock this card as it says right here. It says next to lock this card, you can toggle it on or off. So after you locate your debit card, you'll just need to tap on the toggle button to just lock it or unlock it and confirm with the pop-up message. And that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.